Friends, why is money uncountable and coins countable? Let's explore. First we see money uncountable. Money એટલે value. No piece, no object. We cannot say one money, two money, three money. We only say some money, a lot of money. That's why money uncountable. Coins countable. Coins એટલે object and objects are countable. So we say one coin, two coins, three coins. That's why coins are countable. Now key difference. Money equal how much? Coins equal how many? So money uncountable, coins countable. Finally, remember friends, money uncountable છે અને coins countable છે. Simple, right?